Hello, dear children. Good morning. I am your Wrinkle Miss and welcome you all in our today's computer class. Children, we are studying our chapter number 5, which is Introduction to Scratch Programming. In this chapter, today we are going to learn a new topic, which is adding a new sprite. Okay, so let's start our today's study. Adding a new sprite. Children, when we open Scratch program, by default the cat sprite is present on the stage. As you know, whenever we open Scratch program, by default sprite is cat and it is present on the stage. We can create a new sprite by selecting the new sprite option located at the bottom right corner of the stage. Cat is available, but we can also add any new sprite, and for that Scratch provides us new sprite option. You can see on the screen, this is the new sprite option, and using this option we can add our own sprite or any ready-made sprite, or we can also take pictures. Okay, so this way we can add new sprite in our Scratch program. Now, new sprite option provides 4 different options to add new sprite. First is choose sprite from library. Using this option we can choose sprite from the Scratch library. Scratch library provides so many ready-made sprites that we can add in our Scratch project. Number 2, paint new sprite. Using this option we can make our own sprite by painting, and we can add as a sprite in our program. Number 3, upload sprite from file. This option allows us to use our own computer library, and if we have available some pictures in our computer memory, then we can upload in the Scratch program and use that as a sprite. Number 4 is new sprite from camera. This option allows us to take pictures using web camera, and that picture we can use as a sprite in our Scratch project. So this we can say that live sprite. Okay, so this way these 4 options are used to add new sprite in our Scratch project. So let's see practically how can we do this adding new sprite. So students, this is my computer screen, and today we are going to learn adding a new sprite topic in Scratch program. Okay, so let's start first Scratch. So that click on first start button. Now click on all programs, then select Scratch 2, click on this, and the Scratch program will be open here on the screen. Let's maximize it using maximize button. Okay, so this is our Scratch 2 offline editor. So students, here on the screen you can see here the new sprite option, and these 4 are option of new sprite button. First is choose sprite from library, second is paint new sprite, third one is upload sprite from file, and fourth one is new sprite from camera. So let's see how can we add a new sprite using these 4 options. First, choose a sprite from library. Scratch contains many exciting inbuilt sprite options, and Scratch has its own sprite library dialog box. Okay, so from that we can add any sprite. So to add sprite from the Scratch library, first we have to click on this option. So click on it. You can see it will show us all the sprites available in sprite library. Here all is selected, so all sprites are seen on the screen. You can move cursor down using scroll bar at the right side. You can see so many sprites are available. Okay, all the sprite it will show us. Now here categories are there. You can click on animals, then it will show us animal sprites. You can click on fantasy, it will show us fantasy sprites. Next is letters, it will show us all letter sprites. Next people, all people, things, all things, and transportation, so all vehicle sprites also available. So many themes are also there. You can check it on your computer. Okay, here we select all categories, so it will show us all types of sprite together. Let's select one. So click on ball and click on OK button. It will add new sprite in our stage. Okay, so this way we can add sprite from the Scratch library. Next option is paint new sprite. Click This option allows us to make our own sprite by drawing and painting in the paint editor window. Okay, so let's start painting our own sprite. So to start this, first you have to click on that option. You can see here paint editor window is open, and in this you can draw your own picture and you can use that as a sprite. This is canvas. On this canvas you can paint your own sprite. These all are tools available to draw sprite. Okay, line, rectangle, ellipse, text, fill with color, eraser, select. Next is remove background and select and duplicate. This is color box. From here you can select any color and fill in your drawing. Let's select one ellipse and let's draw. Just click and drag. Yes, ellipse is drawn. We drawn circle. Okay, let's fill color using fill with color and select any color from the color tool. It is red, so just click on the circle. It will fill with red color. Just like it is paint is easy, just like we are drawing picture in paint. Okay, now you can also use add button and add any sprite from the library. You can see our sprite is added in on the stage that we drawn. Okay, this is our own sprite. Now here three buttons are there. These are zoom in, zoom out. So minus button is for zoom out and plus button is for zoom in. You can make your sprite big and small from here. Okay, and the down is down two options also are there here. Zoom in, zoom out, and then after bitmap mode and convert to vector. These all two options are also available. Bitmap, it means our sprite is converted to image. Okay, so this way you can paint your own sprite. Next is upload sprite from file. Using this option you can upload any file from your computer memory or your storage. Okay, choose and add to the project. Click on this. It will show select files to upload by app:/scratch.swf files and all the pictures that are available in our computer. Now select any one. Yes, select this and click on open button. Wait for some time. It will add your selected file as a sprite in your Scratch project. It is so big, so we can shrink it by using cursor tool shrink. Okay, we can make it small using shrink option. You can see on the screen. Yes. So this way we can also add sprite in our Scratch project. Now our last option is new sprite from camera. This is here you can take pictures. When you click on this option, it will open your web camera that is connected with your PC, and you can take live pictures and add that picture as a sprite in your Scratch project. You just have to save it. We here save it because I don't have any camera connected to my PC. That's why it takes only white picture. But if you have connected camera, then it will take any picture that's seen in your camera and add as a sprite in your Scratch project. So this way we can add sprite in our Scratch project. These all four options. Okay. So students, if you have computer or laptop at your home, then please try this adding a new sprite in Scratch and make practice to add new sprite and make projects in sprite. Okay, in next class we'll go further in this chapter. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.